In this video I will tell you how to disable Windows 10, 8 and 7 automatic driver update. Sometimes new versions of drivers are not always compatible with your hardware, and it results in errors or unstable work of your system. That is why it is time to learn how to disable automatic driver update. Here is the first method. Enter gpedit.msc in the search field. Press Enter. The local group policy editor window appears. Go to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, System, and Driver Installation. Double-click on the item Turn off Windows Update Device Driver search prompt. Here, select Enabled and click Apply. You may have to restart the computer to apply the new settings. Note: it works only for Windows 10 Professional or Enterprise. In this video, we will also review several other variants of disabling automatic driver update in Windows 10, which will also work with other versions of this operating system. Now here is the second method. Enter System in the search field and press Enter. Here, click on Advanced System Settings. The Windows System Properties opens. Go to the tab Hardware. Go to Advanced Installation Settings. In the window that opens, select No and click on Save Changes. Note: you should be the administrator to do it. You may have to restart the computer to apply the new settings. Here is the third method. Enter regedit in the search field and press Enter. The registry editor starts. Now go to HKey Local Machine, Software, Microsoft, Windows, Current Version, Driver Searching. Open Search Order Config and set the value to 0. Then apply the changes so that the system stops looking for drivers automatically. You may have to restart the computer to apply the new settings. That is all for now. Thanks for watching. I hope this video will be useful for you.